Hey Dimitro, my name is Janice Miller, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. You might be asking why making this video for business owners. We already found a while ago that a lot of small business owners spending all their time taking care of their customers, and they really do not have time to learn how internet can benefit them and bring more customers. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone, they don't know who is an expert and who is not. I have found by giving people an easy free templates of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still asking me, "Oh Janice, I would like you to take care of this for me." So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to use it by your own, by all means, that's okay. This is free education. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition. Is content, backlinks, and citation. As you see that your website looks so great, but it will be better that to have a number which is can call directly. And as I see here, there is not much content because in Google like to see at least 1500 words to 2000 words and depend on your competition too. Google like information, so your content need the right keywords which able to be searched in Google when people looking for your service at your area. As also for your photos here, you also need the right keywords to put it in. As I see, there's no keywords for your photos. So all your photos are highly recommended to put in the right keywords so they're able to be searched in Google for your website. I'm using these keywords to search, which is roofer in Toms River, New Jersey. And as the top here will be the Google guarantee. And here will be the Google Map Pack that we call it as citation. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local business since this can generate huge amounts of revenue. So you have to be in this top one here. Here will generate a lot of calls in. Citation will be include directories like Yap, NG, Expertise, BBB, and thousands of it. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them. And as for the below part here, is organic listing. So you have to be on top 3 here. But of course, do not include the directories website. So as for your competitors, will be this 45 roofing. And I'm using this RF program here is to show you a simple analytic of your website. So UR, you do not have any data. DR is 0.2. UR is the power of your site in Google. And DR is the trust of your site in Google. So both of these, the number here have to be in between 30 to 40 is considered a strong site. You have to boost the number so that Google can trust you more. As for the backlinks here, you have 6 and referring domains is 6. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, clickable or hyperlink text. This link acts like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins people pointing at them. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth nothing relevant to your industry, and local website will work best. And for your keywords, it's only 50. Your monthly traffic is 8 only. So I would like to show your competitors is that for SEO, their UR and DR is quite a nice number, but it has to be 30 to 40 for both. For the backlinks, it's 2,250, and their referring domains is 291. For their keywords, it's 1,600. And their traffic per month for their site is 1,000, which is you miss out a lot of clients. So you can copy your competitors for their referring domains here. You can go after all these backlinks, but you need to choose the right one because some are spammy links. So you have to go to like the high DR, like 71, 72. These are the good backlinks that you can go after and copy it. And for the keywords, you need to choose the right keywords, especially the service that you're providing and the area that you're providing. Just like example, Toms River Roofing, the volume search per month is 250. And the roofing repair company, Frankly, New Jersey, 150 search volume. And the Monmouth County Roofer, 70 search volume. So these are the volume search per month that you might be missing out. And this is the position of the keywords here. So once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. So these are a few important things that you need to do on your website to increase more traffic and get more business in. Please do leave me some feedback on this video. If you have any question, you may reach out back to me. Thank you. Have a great day.